Number 1. 1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,900, featuring an automatic transmission and powered by a gasoline engine. It has traveled 117,000 miles and comes in a red exterior with a gray interior. The vehicle reportedly runs and drives great, with relatively low mileage for its age, and was originally purchased brand new in Hamilton, where it has remained ever since. The truck is equipped with tires that are like new and has recently undergone a tune-up, ensuring reliable performance. It also includes an aftermarket radio, while the original unit is still available. Cosmetically, the body is not perfect, showing some dings, scratches, and a noticeable dent, along with minor sun damage on the hood and roof. There is some exterior rust present, however, the frame remains solid. Inside, the interior is in good condition overall, though it would benefit from a seat cover to enhance its appearance. Number 2. 2000 Ford Ranger, price $10,000, with 114,680 miles on the odometer. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, making it a practical and reliable choice for daily use or light-duty work. The truck features a sleek black exterior paired with a clean gray interior. This vehicle is powered by a 3.0-liter engine and includes convenient features such as air conditioning, power windows, and cruise control for a comfortable driving experience. It has recently undergone a transmission rebuild, along with new tires and a wheel alignment, ensuring it drives smoothly and reliably. The truck is rust-free and has been well cared for, with no dents in the bed. Additionally, it comes with a front bumper designed to support a winch, and a fully functional winch is already installed. The bed is protected by a box cover and a durable rubber mat. Number 3. 1995 Dodge Ram 1500, price $6,000, showing 130,000 miles on the odometer and equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a silver exterior paired with a gasoline engine. The body remains in good condition overall, with only minor rust visible in a few areas, as shown in the photos. The frame is generally clean, though it does have some surface rust. It comes fitted with an aftermarket exhaust system with a side exit. Inside, the truck is in very good condition. The interior has been well maintained, with only minor carpet stains that should come out easily with proper cleaning. The headliner shows slight sagging in certain spots, which is common for vehicles of this age. Mechanically, the truck starts up without hesitation and drives smoothly. The 4x4 system is fully functional, and both the air conditioning and heating systems are in good working order. Number 4. 2001 Dodge D150, price $4,500. It features an eye-catching red exterior complemented by a clean black interior, giving it a classic and solid appearance. Powered by a gasoline engine, this truck offers a smooth and reliable driving experience, making it suitable for both daily use and light-duty work. In addition, this truck is fitted with a 2.5L 4-cylinder engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, delivering a balanced mix of efficiency and control. It is a 2WD model with a clean title and has also covered 157,000 miles. The vehicle is reported to be in very clean condition both inside and out. Everything is functioning properly with no known mechanical issues, and it comes equipped with new tires. The air conditioning system works perfectly and blows cold, and the truck has successfully passed smog inspection, making it fully road-ready without any immediate concerns. Number 5. 1968 Dodge D100, price $9,000, well-preserved classic pickup that highlights both originality and vintage character. It is equipped with a factory 383 V8 big block engine paired with a 727 automatic transmission, delivering strong and reliable performance. With only 59,000 miles on the odometer, this truck stands as a low-mileage example that has been carefully maintained over time. The vehicle features a clean white exterior complemented by a matching white interior, creating a timeless and cohesive look. Running on gasoline, it also comes equipped with power steering and air conditioning, adding comfort and ease to the driving experience. Remaining in all original condition, it retains its classic charm while still running and driving well, making it an appealing choice for collectors or enthusiasts seeking a dependable vintage pickup. Number 6. 1991 Dodge Ram 1500, price $9,900. It is powered by a reliable Cummins diesel engine and has accumulated 309,000 miles. Despite its mileage, the truck continues to run and drive well, with a functioning air conditioning system that adds to overall comfort. This model features a 2WD setup paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission with electric overdrive, offering a smooth and dependable driving experience. It comes in a single cab configuration with a long bed, complete with a hard bed topper for added utility and protection. Over time, several important components have been replaced to maintain its performance and reliability, including new front tires, a new water pump, and a new master cylinder. The steering box has also been updated, along with the front brakes, ball joints, and wheel bearings, ensuring improved handling and safety on the road. Number 7. 1989 GMC Sierra 2500, price $7,500. It has accumulated 130,000 miles and comes equipped with a 4-speed manual transmission paired with a powerful 5.7L V8 engine. This 4x4 truck runs and drives well, delivering dependable performance on various terrains. Finished in a striking red exterior with a matching red interior, the truck maintains a bold and cohesive look. It is powered by gasoline and has been well kept for its age. One of its standout features is the fully functional dump bed, which operates smoothly and adds significant utility for hauling and work-related tasks. Overall, this GMC Sierra 2500 offers a combination of durability, classic styling, and practical capability, making it a great option for those seeking a dependable vintage truck. Number 8. 1986 Chevrolet 3500, price $8,500. It has traveled approximately 82,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a clean white exterior paired with a gasoline engine, making it a solid and reliable choice for both work and classic truck enthusiasts. The previous owner invested over $10,000 into rebuilding and repairing any necessary components, ensuring the truck runs, drives, and stops perfectly. While there are a few minor rust spots, the overall condition remains very good for its age. Originally used as a military mail truck, it comes with a heavy-duty suspension designed for durability and demanding use, though it has minimal additional options due to its original purpose. Under the hood, the truck is powered by a strong Dartblock 454 engine paired with a Turbo 400 automatic transmission, delivering impressive performance and reliability. Number 9. 1999 Ford Ranger, price $3,400, with 241,000 miles is equipped with an automatic transmission, a 3.0L V6 engine, 4-wheel drive, and runs on gasoline. It features a black exterior with a tan interior and runs and drives well. For its age, the body is in decent condition, with some rust on the rocker panels and lower tailgate, along with minor scratches and dents. The interior remains in fairly good shape. The truck has been well maintained, with tires in great condition and recent rear-end work including new bearings, seals, and all brake components replaced within the last month. The engine had its gaskets and seals replaced about 2 years ago, while the transmission was rebuilt and the torque converter replaced around 3 years ago. It also comes with manual hubs installed. Number 10. 2001 GMC Sonoma, price $3,500, presented as a beautiful, well-preserved vehicle in excellent overall condition. It comes with a clean title and is powered by a reliable gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. The exterior features an attractive red finish, complemented by a clean gray interior, giving it a balanced and classic look. This vehicle is reported to run perfectly with no known issues, supported by a strong engine and transmission performance. It is also equipped with an air conditioning system that blows ice-cold air, ensuring comfort in all driving conditions. Additionally, it sits on a set of good quality tires, making it ready for immediate use without the need for further investment.